Good morning, student. Welcome to my chemistry classes. My name is Pramod Yadav. Today I am going to teach about solution chapter. Topic is method of expressing concentration of solution part second. फर्स्ट पार्ट में हम लोग डिस्कस किए थे परसेंटेज मास बाय मास, परसेंटेज वॉल्यूम बाय वॉल्यूम, परसेंटेज मास बाय मास। सेकेंड पार्ट में हम लोग डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं स्ट्रेंथ, पीपीएम पार्ट्स पर मिलियन, मोलरिटी या उसी को हम लोग बोलेंगे मोलर सॉल्यूशन। इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय कैपिटल एम। मोलरिटी आर मोलर सॉल्यूशन, इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय स्मॉल एम। नॉर्मेलिटी आर नॉर्मल सॉल्यूशन, इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय कैपिटल एन। फर्स्ट हमारा मेथड ऑफ एक्सप्रेसिंग कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन। फर्स्ट स्ट्रेंथ। स्ट्रेंथ इज डिफाइंड एज अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूट प्रेजेंट इन ग्राम in 1 liter of solution. Amount of solute present in gram in 1 liter of solution is known as strength. स्ट्रेंथ को हम कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे? अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूट इन ग्राम प्रेजेंट इन 1 liter of solution. Strength is represented by S. Strength is equal to mass of solute upon volume of solution in liter. Strength is defined as amount of solute in gram in 1 liter of solution is known as strength. Unit of strength, unit. Mass of solute, unit gram per liter. Gram per liter. For example, if 4 grams solute are dissolved in 250 ml of solution, then find the strength. If 4 grams solute dissolved in 250 ml of solution, then find the strength of solution. 4 gram solute, 4 gram solute और 250 ml of solution. So therefore strength is equal to mass of solute upon volume of solution in liter. 4 gram mass of solute upon 250 into 1000, convert liter, means 60 gram per liter strength. इस सोल्यूशन का स्ट्रेंथ आएगा 16 ग्राम पर लीटर। नेक्स्ट मेथड ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, नेक्स्ट पार्ट्स पर मिलियन, पीपीएम। पीपीएम पार्ट्स पर मिलियन। पार्ट्स पर मिलियन इज डिफाइंड एज ppm is defined as ppm mass of solute upon mass of solution into 10 to the power 6 parts per million. ppm is used in trace amount of solvent. It is used in trace amount of solvent. Next, method of spacing concentration of solution. Molarity. मोलरिटी या मोलर सॉल्यूशन. मोलरिटी इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय कैपिटल एम या मोलर सॉल्यूशन. मोलरिटी डिफाइंड एज नंबर ऑफ मोल ऑफ solute present in 1 liter of solvent is called as molarity. Unit of molarity is unit. Unit of capital M is equal to mole per liter. Mathematically it is defined as capital M is equal to number of mole of solute. Capital M means molarity is equal to number of mole of solute, number of mole of solute upon volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liter. Number of mole of solute NB upon V. NB upon V is equal to molarity. Unit of molarity number of mole of solute upon volume of solution means mole per liter. इसी को हम बोलते हैं मोलर सॉल्यूशन. मोलर सॉल्यूशन. नेक्स्ट मोलरिटी. मोलरिटी या मोलर सॉल्यूशन. मोलर इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय स्मॉल m. It is represented by small m. Molarity small m. It is defined as number of mole of solute is dissolved in 1 kg of solvent. 1 kg of solvent is known as molarity. Solute less amount present in solution, solvent more amount present in solution. Therefore, small m means molarity is equal to NB upon W, where W is equal to weight of solvent in kg and NB is equal to mole of solute. It is also known as molar solution. मोलर सॉल्यूशन. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे मोल फ्रैक्शन normality, relation between mole fraction and molality, relation between molality and molarity. Thank you.